Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another unboxing. We have a good show coming up. We have a lot of unboxings on the channel, so make sure you guys stay locked in because we're gonna bring you nothing but heat for this up and coming week and up and coming month. But right here, without any further ado, we do have an unboxing right here. Package just came in. It usually says that it's coming from China. As you all know, I do a lot of unboxings products coming from China, but this one does say it's from Manila, Philippines. So I'm curious to see what's inside of here, because I really don't know yet. So this is gonna be a surprise, but we do have our Red Bull on deck, so let's get the energy going. And let's just go ahead, open this up. It feels like a case. It's like a headphone case. So what else is in there? I think that's all that's in there. And this is from the Philippines. It's a headphone case. Just in case we want to test out the music, we do got our device right here on deck, the foldable device right here. So we're gonna go ahead and check out these headphones. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what's inside of here. So I'm gonna go ahead, unzip this little pouch that it did come in, and these are the AKGs that I ordered. Now these are wired headphones right here. As you can see, they do have the up and down cord right here. You get your volume up, volume down, and then a pause button, and you do get the AKG logo right on both sides. You do see right here, we do get the foam little tips for your ears. They didn't give us any custom tips, but we do get a nice cool case that we could use with the AKG headphones. Now I wanted to try out these AKG headphones because everybody who owns a Samsung, I see those headphones in the box, and I was always curious to find out how much those headphones actually were. I'm gonna show you how much I paid for these. So let me just show you the link that I got these from right here. Now this is absolutely insane. I have no idea if these are actually really legit headphones, because you can see the price right here. Links will be in the description section down below. Right here it does say that I paid somewhere close to $4 for these AKG headphones. It says that they come with the S8, S9, and S10 with the storage box. You can see high strength, excellent sound quality, adjustment workmanship, and you can see it has all these tips. I didn't get those tips, but for the price of $3 or $4, you can see right here, these are some pictures of other people who have purchased them. We're gonna go ahead, test these out, and see if they're worth the $5 I paid for them. So right now I'm gonna go ahead, take these right here, I'm gonna put them in my ear, and I want to test out some sound quality because I really been looking forward to trying out some AKG headphones. Which one is the left and which one is the right? Now that's the real question. Now I don't see any clear cut like wording on these to say which one is left and which one is right. So we're gonna just go ahead and figure that out on our own, which one ever feels good. So this one could be the left. I think this is the left one. Yeah, that feels better on that side than it does. Okay, so we got these in. Let's go ahead, and you could also bring this down a little bit. So those actually fit good in my ear. You can see right there. That's how they would look. Let's see. Yeah, those fit pretty good. Now let's test out the sound quality. Now this phone does have Dolby audio on it, so that's gonna make it even better. I put those in. Now let's just go ahead and see. I'm gonna open up Spotify real quick, and I got some music here already on deck. SP, the GOAT. Let me just turn the music up. Alright, so let me just... Now let me switch the ears, just make sure I got them in the right ear. Yeah, I think that's the way it's supposed to be. Now, these are really cheap headphones. These are not, I wouldn't recommend these headphones whatsoever. Obviously, these are fake headphones. Let's change the song. Turn these up a little bit. Now that I'm talking over myself right now, this is the loudest they are going to be. Now, I'm getting a little bit of bass. These are pretty decent headphones if you're on a real big budget and you want to save a ton of money. Now, I'm talking over myself right now. The music is really loud and I'm getting some decent bass. They're pretty good for the price, honestly. Let me play another song. Okay. So now, second track, Tragedy Gaddafi, Queen's rapper. Alright guys, these are the AKG headphones from Amazon, AliExpress. Now these are under $5. For $5 freaking for headphones, I could definitely recommend these. You can't really go wrong when you're paying that much money. So if you want to test out some really nice headphones for under $5 that are earbuds with wires, and you want to save a ton of money, plus have that AKG logo that is in all of the Samsung device that are coming out right now. I mean, I haven't tested out real AKGs, but these sound pretty decent for the price. So I'm gonna listen to these AKGs, guys. Wow. Let me see. Okay, so what I am experiencing right now is I just noticed that these turn up the volume was going down automatically without me even touching it, which was weird. So let me just put that back in and see what else is gonna happen right now. Play. Okay, it stopped. Okay, so I still don't know which ear is which ear because it doesn't label it, but they sound good either way. So I could definitely say these $5 earphones are worth the money. If you found this video helpful, informative, or useful in any way possible, make sure you stay locked in because we got another 4 or 5 unboxings coming just this week. It's your boy Serrano. If you found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace, crew.